Hello learners, myself Milan Gajera. I am your mathematics educator of standard 5th. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 4, parts and wholes. So in this chapter, let us start from the exercise number 1, practice time. First question is there, Raji has a chocolate. Raji having a chocolate, and from that chocolate she wants to give some parts of his friend, her friend. So let us calculate what part of the chocolate each and every her friend get by her. So let us calculate. She wants to give 1/6 part of chocolate to Sheila. The chocolate she having is like this. This is the chocolate. This is the chocolate she having, and she wants to give 1/6 part of this chocolate to Sheila. So total there are 12 parts. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Total out of 12, she wants to give 1/6 part of 12, which is equal to, over here, 1 by 6 multiply it with 12. So 12 ones are 12 divided by 6. That means 12 by 6 is equal to 2. 2 parts get by the Sheila. After that, she wants to give 1/4 part. 1/4 part of chocolate she wants to give to Raji. So 1/4 of 12, which is equal to 12 divided by 4. We can say that 3 parts. 3 parts of chocolate get by the Raji. Now she wants to give 1/3 part to Sugatha. 1/3 part of chocolate to Sugatha. So let us calculate the 1/3 part of 12, which is equal to 1 multiply 12 divided by 3. That means 4 part. 4 part can get by the Sugatha from Raji. Clear? How many total parts she distribute among his 3 friends? So let us calculate 2 part to Sheila, 2 part to Sheila, plus 3 part to Raji, plus 4 parts to Sugatha. So total 4 plus 3 plus 2, 9 parts. How many parts are remaining? Remaining parts is equal to 12 minus 9, which is equal to 3 parts. Clear? So this is the calculation of the chocolate. How she can divide this chocolate in among his 3 friends, Sheila, Raji and Sugatha. After that, the next question is coloring the hat. Coloring the hat, in this question total there are 15 hats are given. 15 hats are given. Out of 15 hats, we have to color some part of hats. For example, we have to color 1/3 part of hats as a color red. So 1/3 part of total hat number of 15 which is equal to 5 parts. That means 5 parts we have to color red as a red color. After that, the next thing is given 3/5 part, 3/5 part of total heads we have to color with blue. So 3/5 part of 15, which is equal to 3 multiply 15 divided by 5. So let us calculate 15 divided by 5, we can get 15 is equal to 5 multiply 3 and 5 cancel out. Over here 3 multiply 3, which is equal to 9 heads. We have to color as a blue color. Now how many total heads we have colored? 9 as a blue plus 5 as a red. That means total 14 heads we have colored. Total we having a 15 heads minus 14 are colored, minus 14 we have color. So one head is remaining without color. What part of the head remain without color? So we can say that 1/15th part is remain. Now the last third question is, there is one triangle is given, like this triangle given into your textbook. So it is divided into the 3 equal parts in such a way. Now we have divided this type of triangle in another way and into the 3 equal parts. How we can divide it? So it is very simple. If we divide it, this triangle in this way, so these are the 1, 2 and 3 equal parts of the triangle. Over here these and these one are also 3 equal parts. These all are 3 equal parts, and over here this is also 3 equal parts, but in a different way we can divide it into the 3 equal parts. Okay, I hope you all are understood all 3 questions. Thank you. We will meet in our next session.